Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. Today's topic of discussion, actually the title of the video is Beyond Bionics, the rise of bio-integrated electronic limbs. So you know traditional prosthetics, you have some idea about this. These are what actually? These are about actually replacement. Traditional prosthetics have always been about a replacement. That means they provide what? They provide a functional alternative to a lost limb. This is known to you. But those traditional prosthetic limbs, those things are not faster, not precise, not stronger. Problems are there. And say if you are using a prosthetic limb, means I am talking about hand, prosthetic hand. So whenever you are holding some object, okay, in that case actually you cannot feel that touch by using a traditional prosthetics. But here in this case of bionics, that is bio-integrated electronic limbs, bionics means what? Bionics means biology plus electronics. Okay, so that is the meaning of bionics, biology plus electronics. So here in this case of a bio-integrated electronic limbs, you can feel whenever you are touching something. So you can feel the touch, you can feel the pressure, even you can feel the temperature. Yes, even you can feel temperature. If you are using this is a special kind of prosthetic limbs which are bio-integrated. Bio-integrated, that means here what is done, electronic circuits, ultra thin, okay, skin-like electronic circuits integrate with the muscles and skin, and these things provide you the better movement and control. So these are what? These are bio-integrated electronic circuits. These are ultra thin and skin-like. They integrate with your muscles and limbs. So this is not sufficient. More things are required, like brain implants are required. Means neural interfaces. Neural interfaces are what? Brain implants. Okay, they are implanted into your brain, means into nerves, and they actually send the signals to the prosthetic limbs. Prosthetic limbs are equipped with, means they are integrated with actually microprocessors. That means those brain implants actually send signals according to the requirement, send signals to the microprocessors, prosthetic limbs microprocessors. Okay, and that way you can move your limb and control your limb. But one more thing is required. What is that? You want to feel this pressure or touch or temperature by using the limb, and for that thing what is there? Haptic feedback systems are there. Haptic feedback systems. So by using that systems actually do what? That systems actually recreate a sense of touch. Okay. So you can see so many things are there together, and when they work together, you can use your prosthetic limbs just as your original one. Here in this case, means actually when you are using this new kind of prosthetic limbs, they reduce the issues of rejection. In case of older implants or older limbs, better to say older limbs or traditional prosthetics, okay, in those cases there are more chances of rejection, and here chances of rejection are very less. Okay, actually your brain accepts those prosthetic limbs as your part, means as part of your body. Okay, as part of your body. This is one point. Again, more advantages are there. Okay, you can give athletes more advantages using these devices. Even you can enhance soldiers' performance on the battlefield by using this technology. Okay, that means you can do many things by using the same technology. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. Okay, some sound is coming from outside, so please ignore that sound or noise. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. Okay, means actually so many ways that the same technology can be used. Okay, according to the requirement, since almost it becomes equal to your or equivalent to your original body part. That's why. Okay, that's why this has become possible. That's why this is much more better than the older ones or the traditional ones. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video fascinating, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.